Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make songs longer in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's open a Premiere Pro project. This is a project that I've taken as an example. As you can see, I have a song that's too short for the video I've edited. To change the duration of the music, go to Window and make sure the Essential Sound panel is turned on. Now select your audio and head over to the Essential Sound panel. Once that's open, turn on the duration option and expand it. You'll notice two options here, Remix and Stretch. Remix is selected by default, and that's exactly what we need. This is where you can adjust the duration of your song to the exact length you want. It works both ways. You can make your music longer or shorter. You just need to click on the time and drag right to increase and left to decrease the length. As you change the duration, you'll see visual indicators showing where Premiere has made its cuts. Premiere usually does a great job blending those cuts, so the transitions sound seamless. If something feels off, open the Customize dropdown. Here, you can control how many segments Remix creates and how dynamic the changes are. You might also notice that Premiere can only get the duration close to what you enter, sometimes off by a few seconds. So take your time and experiment with your audio to make it fit your project perfectly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.